Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Bitwarden application in Chrome like this and just log in. And then you will reach the Bitwarden web application page in which you can find my wallet, new organizations, all items, favorite, trash, types in which login, card, identity and secure note, and under that you will find folders where you can add your folder as you like. And in the above menu you can find send if you want to send some files to someone, and tools if you want to export or import your vault data, and then reports if you have any problem with the software or application on or any device related to Bitwarden. You can issue a complaint or ask for help or see it for yourself at report page. And when you go back to the login page, you can find your vault information right there, which you can use to log in any website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.